Hey guys, Brian here with Forest Farm Project. I want to show you guys a quick tip today and let you know that the Kreg pocket hole jig is not just necessarily a cabinet building tool. There are countless times when we get into a job such as here, we want to put a brace behind these supply lines just for a little extra security. And when we put a brace in, I can't drill it from the end because of this drain line, and I can't really toenail right here because of the supply lines. So it's a tight spot and it'll be a pain in the butt to do. But we've got this little R3 Kreg jig setup, and it's very compact, easy to carry in the work truck. All you do is clamp it on your board, get it set to the depth of what you're doing, and pop a few holes, and then we screw it in place. I'll show you just how easy it is. Well, as you can see, I got my 4 holes. Placement's not crucial because all I want is security. So I've got my 4 holes. I set my Kreg jig for 1.5 inch thickness since that's what I'm drilling into. And now just got to install it. Okay, all we do is work this in behind the pipes. Slide my screws in. Get my drill or my impact. Just that simple. Well, as you guys can see, Kreg jig is very useful in construction circumstances, not just building cabinets. Really handy tool, very inexpensive for that kit, and it really helps out in those tight spaces. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. Give us a big thumbs up if you did. Make sure you're subscribed. There's a whole lot of construction coming. Have a good one, guys.